This week's CCJ Tech Shorts features a new fleet maintenance management tool, a driver coaching tool, and a look at the second half of the year for a popular fleet maintenance platform.
Welcome to CCJ's Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's Tech Editor, Angel Coker. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started.
Bosch Mobility Platform Solutions has launched a new tool to help fleets manage their maintenance needs holistically. FleetME helps identify needed upkeep, sends alerts, and recommends dynamic maintenance and repair scheduling based on the unique needs of the fleet. This helps simplify maintenance by connecting vehicle data, diagnostics, OEM maintenance schedules, and repair guidance, parts, and more in a unified asset management platform. FleetME leverages live vehicle data and advanced analytics for predictive maintenance and proactive issue identification. From there, the solution provides alerts, best repair practices, and optimal service schedules for asset management. This helps keep vehicles on the road, increases warranty claim opportunities, and improves access to repair parts and service availability. Motive has rolled out its positive driving feature at global scale. The new AI model automatically identifies positive driver behaviors, like quickly reacting to obstacles to avoid collisions or creating a safe following distance when cut off by another vehicle. By automatically surfacing these moments in real time, insights from positive driving enable managers to lead coaching sessions with recognition to foster a more motivating safety culture. This feature equips managers with positive examples to praise drivers at scale rather than solely focusing on unsafe behaviors, encouraging teams to be more willing to accept and apply feedback. Fleet maintenance and optimization platform Fleetio rounded out the first half of 2025 with several platform enhancements, product launches, and partnerships and integrations. Moving into the second half of the year, the company said it will continue expanding platform capabilities that eliminate inefficiencies and improve overall performance. Coming up, Fleetio plans to launch fleet utilization scoring, which enables organizations to quickly evaluate how effectively each asset is used based on metrics like mileage, downtime, and maintenance costs. Also in the works is smart vehicle booking features that aim to help teams manage shared assets more efficiently, improving accountability through automated tracking and reporting. Additionally, AI-powered smart uploads will automate service entry creation, reducing errors, simplifying workflows, and improving accuracy in tracking the total cost of ownership for the entire fleet. Fleetio's CEO said, "We're reducing the rising pressure on fleet operations through smarter automation and stronger data connectivity across the entire fleet ecosystem, saving hours spent on repetitive tasks and providing deeper insights. Looking ahead, we're focused on building tools that uncover hidden costs and make it easier to manage shared assets so fleets can stay in control even as operations grow more complex." That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.